Asus's gaming-centric flagship smartphone series, the ROG Phone 6, is set to launch globally on July 5th. The company already announced the launch date for the same a couple of weeks back. With just a couple of weeks left to the launch of the device, two phones from the ROG Phone 5 series have been spotted on the 3C certification website, revealing the charging speed of the device. Last year, the company launched three new phones in the ROG Phone 5 series: Asus ROG Phone 5, ROG Phone 5 Pro, and ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. While the brand is yet to clarify the number of devices in the upcoming series, we have spotted two devices of the 6th Gen gaming series, Asus ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro. At the beginning of this year, tipster Paris Guglani had evidence of Asus developing firmware for the ROG Phone 6 series. It was found that the Taiwanese brand is working on 6 models, such as the Asus AI2201A, AI2201B, AI2201C, AI2201D, AI2201E, and AI2201F. The tipster mentioned that the AI2201B and AI2201D variants could be heading to India. The former could be called the ROG Phone 6 Pro, whereas the latter could be the ROG Phone 6 Ultimate. Coming back to the 3C certification, the two variants of the ROG Phone 6 that have been approved include AI2201A and AI2201B. The 3C listing reveals that a 65-watt charger will accompany both devices. Both the Asus ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro will support a maximum charging speed of 65 watt, which is the same as the last gen ROG 5 Trio. The devices will support 15-watt charging in normal mode, and also they will support PPS protocol up to 65 watt. Apart from the charging speed, the listing also confirms both the phones will support 5G, which shouldn't come as a surprise. Asus has already confirmed that the ROG Phone 6 series' display will carry support for a 165Hz refresh rate. The Taiwanese manufacturer is yet to confirm the other details of the lineup. The alleged 2D renders of the ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro that appeared at the beginning of this year revealed that these may arrive with some design improvements. It appears that the A2201A and A2201B models will soon appear in Tena's database with images and specifications in the next few days. The company has confirmed that the gaming flagship phone will be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The device is confirmed to feature a 165Hz refresh rate display, along with slightly thick top and bottom bezels. The phone is expected to feature a large 6000 mAh battery. Since this is a gaming device, we can expect features like dual stereo speakers, a VC cooling chamber, and more. Write your opinion about the new gaming smartphone. What do you expect from it? Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.